Hello again and welcome to another episode. In this one I'm going to cover the embed tag, and the embed tag is actually really cool. The reason why the embed tag is really cool is because it's so concise compared to what we used to have to use, which was the object tag. And the object tag was kind of a holy mess because you would have an object tag and then all these attributes, and then you'd have param tags on the inside, which would change how the content is loaded. And it was kind of unneeded because you can pretty much do all that with the embed tag now. And it's much more concise, making it 1,000 times better. So here's our embed tag. And what I'm going to do is the first attribute it takes is our wonderful source tag, and I'm just going to throw in a YouTube video. The next attribute we have is the type attribute, and this one you input the mime type of the content that you're trying to embed. So in this case, it's going to be application/x shockwave flash. And then it also takes height and width and all global parameters, so like ID, class, etc. But the height and width you don't implicitly need. It's only there if the content, you either want to change the default height and width for that content, or if the content can't tell the browser what the height and width is, which is pretty much unheard of. I've never run into the issue of that. So let's go ahead and just take a look at it, and you'll see it'll pop up. And so it's a little bit small because it's using the default size, and so what we can do is show off that wonderful width. I'm just going to do the width, and I'm going to set this to 500 pixels. Oops, don't want to do that. So that when we load, it'll be wonderfully wide, and then let's give it a height. Let's say another 500 pixels. So even though our video is going to be widescreen, we'll have a lot of black bars, but it'll let you be able to see it. But this gives you an idea of kind of how you can embed a Flash applet into a web page with basically a single line of code. And there you go. That is the embed tag, and that is how simple it is. Peace.